Introducing the Magic Multi-Purpose Finding. This finding is crimped using the patented Magic Finding Plier, which was exclusively designed for the Magic Finding. Here is how it works. Place the assembled Magic Finding in the larger hole of the tool. Ensure that the Magic Finding is well seated in the center of the larger hole. If your design has an omega insert in it, make sure the omega runs parallel to the jaws of the tool when you first crimp the Magic Finding. Crimp the Magic Finding by squeezing the tool. If your design has an omega insert in it, always press the insert inwards when you firmly squeeze the tool. Next, open the tool slightly, rotate the Magic Finding 90 degrees, and squeeze again. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times in the larger hole of the tool until the jaws of the tool are completely closed. Next, place the Magic Finding in the center of the smaller hole of the tool. Crimp the Magic Finding by squeezing the tool. If your design has an omega insert in it, always press the insert inwards when you firmly squeeze the tool. Open the tool slightly, rotate the Magic Finding 90 degrees in the tool, and squeeze again. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times until the jaws of the tool are completely closed and the Magic Finding is well rounded.